So another great thing about working in ecology is you get to be part of habitat creation as well as habitat management and restoration. And I've just come across an example here, which I'm doing a bit of a survey on some newly created habitat, and I'd like to tell you a little bit about them. So these here are called scrapes. Now these are effectively little ponds. So what's happened is this site has been identified as a potential opportunity to put a scrape in, and scrapes are really, really beneficial for particularly wading bird species. That opening of the rush sward to create a new feeding ground and obviously somewhere with access to water is really, really beneficial for them. So originally this area would have looked like this, just dense rushes, which is not very attractive to waders, particularly for nesting in. But now it's been opened up into this area to create this scrape, and you can see all that area around the edge there. That is going to be perfect wet feeding ground for waders. Now, another reason that this site has been identified is because it is naturally a flow path for water. See around me, plenty of hills, and all of those feed into here. That's why you've got these rush species in this lower section. This is where all the water comes, so the species that prefer wet ground are going to grow here. So these have not been filled in. These have naturally refilled with water since being put in. This creates habitat for other animals, not just the birds. Of course, you're going to have your aquatic species, your water invertebrates, or your other insect life, as well as, your frogs. So all I'm doing for my survey here is checking the vegetation species growing around the edge of the scrapes, but I just thought I would come and show you what they look like and tell you a little bit about them.